The Cornwall Regional Hospital this week received well-needed beds to boost its capacity. The hospital, which is still being renovated following air quality concerns, has been facing a bed shortage.
To an outsider looking in, these are just hospital beds. But if you've been a patient or you work at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, these are a godsend.
It is greatly appreciated. We can now assist the patients a little better because it's really sad to know when the patients are there sitting, waiting for days, can't get a bed to go on the ward, so I'm sure they all appreciate it.
Combined, there are roughly 5,000 hospital bed spaces at public facilities in the island. There have long been concerns that this is inadequate, given the country's population of 2.9 million. And then came the coronavirus. Dr. Derek Harvey is the senior medical officer for the Cornwall Regional Hospital.
At this pandemic time of COVID-19, the need has become quite great, and we're now approaching the disaster preparedness time when the hurricane season is in effect and we don't know what the effects will be. The use of these beds are going to be in the area which has been prepared in accidental emergency for the COVID-19 patients and for those who are deemed to have infections.
Dr. Harvey says so far the hospital has had 10 COVID-19 patients with 1 death.
What has happened to Cornwall is that we act as a facility which screens patients who come through the airport, so the numbers would probably be higher than that, about the 30s to 40s, because we act as a transition facility where persons have their medical screens and then go on to some of the isolation areas. But the actual numbers who come here and are treated still remains quite low. Since the beginning in March, we've had 10. Most of them are imported cases.
Meanwhile, in the weeks ahead, the Cornwall Regional Hospital will open another 40-bed unit. Another reason why Dr. Harvey says the donation has come in handy. The hospital has also received infusion pumps and other critical equipment.
For us, this was a natural step for us to give and contribute to the healthcare system. The airport and the Cornwall Regional Hospital has always maintained a close relationship, certainly even in our emergency planning. The Cornwall Regional Hospital is central to keeping our airport staff and passengers to Jamaica safe.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.